What is good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, today we are going to be starting a very fun challenge. Now, this challenge is Forex funded challenge. Now, if you've been following me on Instagram, I highly suggest you do over there, I don't know where it is, at Joovier_, you know what I'm saying? I've been talking about this, and I asked you guys if you wanted me to document my journey with starting one of these Forex funded challenges. Now, if you don't know what it is, I'll give you a quick overview of it. It's basically these prop firms, they offer specific challenges where you have to follow a set of rules when trading an account, and if you pass the challenge, then you now have access to that account, and all the money that you make on that account, you actually get to keep and take that and put it into your bank account or do whatever the heck you want to do with it. So I'm going to be starting the challenge today. Well, I have started actually, but I'm going to be documenting the whole entire journey to see if I can pass the challenge. I will, because I'm the GOAT, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully. But I'm going to be documenting every single day, every single trade I take. I'm going to tell you guys why I take the trades. I'm going to show you guys the profits that I make or the losses that I make. I'm going to be very transparent with you guys throughout the whole entire challenge, because a lot of people do these challenges and they're very confused by them, or they're very intimidated by them. And there's not a lot of videos out there on YouTube where people's like documenting their whole journey with the challenge. So I'll be the guy, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know me, I'm the best YouTuber in the entire world, but you already knew this. But if you're excited for this video, smash the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and hit the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop these gems. Because these are the type of gems that you literally will die for, literally will kill for, literally will sacrifice your only mother, father. You would sacrifice a lot for these gems. But you don't have to do any of that. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the post notification bell. But without further ado, let's just hop right into this. Wait. Before we hop into this, I do have to let you guys know every single strategy that I use in this whole challenge, every trading strategy I use, my whole psychology, everything, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to trading, it's all inside my academy. If you guys did not know, I have a whole academy that takes you from step 0 to step freaking 1 million to being a trader, whether it be in crypto and DeFi, whether it be in stock trading, being able to read technical analysis, the psychology of trading, all of that is inside the academy. So if you guys want to see all of my strategies, you want to see how I look at these charts, how I read these charts, how I'm able to kind of predict price movement and price action and all that, definitely suggest you guys enrolling in the academy. It's the first thing inside the description. It's also on the screen right there. Check it out. If you still need more convincing, go to the website. There's a whole page with testimonials of people that's literally talking about the course and what it's done for them. And if you follow me on Instagram, I'm posting them all the time. Like, people is DMing me all the time saying, I made $1,500 using your strategy. I made $14,000 using your strategy. I made $300 on my second day using your strategy. Like, it's good vibes. It's lit that I'm able to help other people and educate other people in this field to be able to generate more income. So if that sounds interesting to you, cryptoacademy.com, go and roll now. But let's hop right into this banger. All right, so boom, here we are. This is actually the funded challenge that I decided to use. There are a bunch of different challenges that you can use. There's the FTMO challenge, which is like the most popular one. There's the MFF, which is my Forex funded challenge. I think that's what it is. There's the funded trader. There's top tier. There's level up society. There's a bunch of different prop firms that you can use to do these challenges, and all of them have different rules. All of them cost a different amount of money. The reason I chose this one is because I'd asked everybody on Instagram who I should go with, and a few people said this one, so I looked into it. It seemed cool versus using like FTMO or just like the regular ones. But obviously, you can use whichever one you want to. This is just the one that I decided to use. It's called the Funded Trader. But like I was explaining in the beginning of this video, if you don't know what the heck a funded account is or any of that is, I'm explaining more in depth now. Basically, there are multiple different phases. And like I said, it's different for every prop firm. But most of them have like 2 phases or 2 challenges that you have to pass. And then you get an actual account. And then you're actually able to make the money with the account. But I'm gonna show you guys exactly what my account was, or which one I went with and how much I went with. I did a standard challenge on the Funded Trader. I did a $100,000 one just because, you know what I'm saying, I just felt like that it's just a cool place to start off with. And these are like the rules over here for this one. Like I said, it varies. A lot of them have similar rules, but they're not all the same. Like the percentages could be different, the time frame could be different, all of that. But this is the rules that I have to abide by in this challenge. So I have to have a minimum traded days of 5 days, which is not hard at all. I just have to trade 5 times, and that one is complete. The challenge leverage is 1 to 200, which is a great leverage amount to have. But the phase 1 target, like I said, there's multiple different phases. This one is phase, does have 2 phases. In the first phase, you have 35 days to complete it, and all you have to do is get 10% on your account. So I have a $100,000 account. All I have to do is get $10,000 in profit on that account without breaking any of the other rules. So it's really not that hard at all. If you're just being good with your risk management and if you have a good strategy and all that, it's really just getting 10%. So $10,000. You've seen me post on if you follow me on Instagram, you see me post on my Instagram a bunch of different times with like some 5,000, 6,000, 22,000, whatever the heck it was, all them different trades. So I can literally pass this. If I get a good trade, I could pass it in like a day or so. But I really want to I don't want to rush it. I want to go through it and show you guys the whole process of it. Hopefully not losing the challenge in the process of all that. But that is the first phase. The phase 2 target, you have 60 days to complete it. And you have to just get 5%. That's the phase 2. But this is where it gets tricky, okay? So this is the max loss right here. I cannot have more than $12,000 loss on the account or the equity of the account. So if I have a $100,000 account, I cannot lose $12,000. The account balance or the equity in the account cannot go below $188,000 or I lose no matter what. I also can't, and that's like the max loss, and that's overall. I also can't lose more than 6% in one day. If I lose more than 6% in one day, I lose the challenge and they take all my money or whatever heck it is. Then this is the profit split. Like I said, once you pass the challenges, you actually have access to that account, and all the profits that you make, you actually get to keep that money. It starts off at 80%, so you get to keep 80% of the profit. So if I make $1,000, I get to keep $800 on it. But if I'm profitable over a bunch of different months, then I'll actually be able to keep 90%. Instead, it kind of goes up, and also the account balance will go up as well. Weekend trading, it says no. I think I can trade cryptocurrency on weekends if I'm not mistaken. And then the fee. So like I said, you're paying a specific fee. You're not funding $100,000 of your own. You're paying a fee to have access to start this challenge. If you lose the challenge, you lose all your money. If you win the challenge, you actually get that money back plus whatever you make in that month. So I paid $550 basically to start this challenge. If I lose the challenge, I lose $550. But if I win the challenge, I get my money back. It's completely refundable. And then I'm now like a full-time trader for them, or funded trader for them. So that's basically how it is all broken down. Like I said, it's different. There's different tiers even in this funded trader, but there's also other prop firms you can use. You can use FTMO. You can use any of these other ones. I just kind of wanted to show you guys which one I am using. But like I told you guys, I did already start. So we're going to hop into my dashboard. I actually took 2 trades today. I'm going to show you guys those trades right now. I would highly suggest you guys follow me on Instagram at Joovier_. I don't know if it's up there, but follow me on Instagram at Joovier_, because I'll be posting right when I'm taking the trades on there. So you guys can see like when I'm in profit there before you have to wait for a video to come out. So I would highly suggest you guys follow me on Instagram. But let's hop into the different trades that I've taken so far. All right, so here we are. I actually took this trade this morning. It was the first trade I took. It was on Ethereum. I'm going to show you guys exactly why I took it. Like I said, all my strategies are inside my CryptFi Academy. So if that's something that would interest you, highly suggest you guys go enroll in that. You'll see every single strategy I use day in and day out. You know what I'm saying? Nothing that I know is not inside that academy. So everything I know is really put in that academy. I'm always adding new stuff. So I was looking for a sell over here on Ethereum. It was a nice support area right here on the 15-minute time frame. I did the rewind tool so you guys be able to see in real time why I actually took this trade. So basically what I waited for was a breakout. It broke out of this area right here. It broke below it right here. And then usually price will come back up and retest the area and then drop all the way back down. So that's really what I was looking for in this trade right here. Let me delete all this stuff because I don't need it no more. I was just drawing scrabble stuff all over the freaking chart, looking stupid. This is ridiculous. But yeah, so I came over here and I was just waiting. I see a big green candlestick come back up to retest the area. Fast forward, I see a red candlestick, but I didn't really like this candlestick. It wasn't that strong for me. It wasn't strong enough for rejection. So then I waited for the next candlestick, and I decided to hop in this trade right here. So I ended up putting the stop loss just a little bit above the last high, which is this green candle right here. So I put the stop loss right here. And then I had one take profit right here at the last low. And then my last take profit was down here before this 1 hour resistance, which is this white box right here that I created. So I was just waiting, you know what I'm saying, for this to play out perfectly. As you see, it was a very small stop loss. It was a 6 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So the risk to reward ratio was absolutely freaking amazing. I was risking 7.5 basically to make 51 pips overall, which is a great trade in my opinion. Well, in anybody's opinion. So I was not hesitant to take this. I did put a low lot size because I still was not really convinced on this rejection, because this candlestick right here still isn't that convincing to me, because it is still hesitating on the downside. But I decided to just hop in anyways. And what happened? It came up. At this point, I'm scared. It came down. At this point, I'm happy. And it came up and took me at this point, I'm sad. You know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? You win some, you lose some. In my eyes, it was still a good risk to take. And that trade actually lost me $900. So it wasn't even 1% of the account, which is what I like to do. I don't like to risk more than 1% of the account. Even when I'm trading my real accounts, the max I'll risk is 2% or 2.5% of my entire account. So this was actually a really good trade. Even though it did not lose, you're not going to win every trade. As long as you follow all your trading strategies, you should be good, and you shouldn't feel bad. You shouldn't be beating yourself up if you lost, because you cannot predict when your strategy will actually work. All you can do is follow your strategy to the T, knowing that you did everything correctly in your eyes. So that's why I really wasn't that mad. And like I said, I only lost 1% of the account. So that was minus $900 right there. So fast forward, hopped into a GBP JPY trade. Let me rewind it for you guys so you guys can see exactly what I see. So I see a huge support zone over here. We have multiple different touches. We have one touch right here, one touch right here, one touch right here, and one kind of fake touch over here. So basically what I was waiting for was it to come back down here. Because I knew when it came down here that it would reject back up and go up. I had multiple different take profits. This was my first take profit because it was at this kind of the last high right here. I have a second take profit right here because this area right here is the same point where it reversed on this. Then I have my full take profit right here. I didn't want to put my full take profit up here just due to the fact that I was ready to lock in my gains right here, or I am ready to lock in my gains right here, because I am actually still in this trade right now, hopefully. I think I'm still in it. But the reason why I'm saying that is because it came down. Let me show you guys exactly what I saw. So I saw it come back up. Then it came down, and I was just waiting for an entry right here. This is where I have my entry at. As you see, it really came very close to my stop loss. My stop loss is down here. It touched literally right here. But once I saw this rejection, I was watching this in real time, and the candlestick was going down, then up, down, and up, down, and up. So I knew that it did not like this area, so I decided to hop in a little bit early, and that's why I did end up hopping in right at this line right here. So that was my entry, and from then it went up. It rejected a little bit at this area, but I'm still holding it. Like I see, we have the price still going up while rejecting the lower part right here. That's why we have this nice little candlestick, a red candlestick that failed to go down here, a long wick at the bottom. And then we have it pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, and hitting my first take profit. And usually what I do at my first take profit, or the half zone of all of my trades, is I'll take out half of my position. I'll move my stop loss to break even, and I'll just let the rest of the position ride. So that way I lock in some gains, and I make the trade risk-free by moving my stop loss into profit or right to break even, and then I could just watch the rest of it play out. If it plays out, if it doesn't play out, then it doesn't play out. But at that point, I made profit because I took out half my profit at the half point line. And I also am not losing any money because now my stop loss is at break even. So that's actually what happened. I made on just taking out half right now, because like I said, the trade is still going on. Just by taking out half, I made $1,200, I think, or $1,900. I don't know. I actually have it on my phone. I'll put up screenshots if I remember to. I don't know what. I be forgetting to put some stuff in my videos when I'm editing. But I'm up basically $100 on the account right now, almost $200 on the account, and I'll show you guys it in a second. But I'm still waiting for it to go up and hit my TP all the way. But at this point right now in real time, my trade is completely risk-free because my stop loss is at break even. I had a very close call here. The price came down multiple times right here. This was a very, very close call. As you see, the wick came down almost directly to my stop loss. It would have took me out the trade. But like I said, it's risk-free trade because this is a break-even stop loss and I already have profit secured. And we see a nice resistance area forming right here on the same kind of first take profit or half take profit. If you're looking at this line, it does not want to close above this red line right here. We had a touch right here, rejection, touch up here, came all the way up here, rejected it, up here, rejected it, up here, rejected it. So That's why I drew this line here, because I knew once it closes above that, then we're most likely going to go up higher. But it's still struggling to go above this line or close above this line. And then we finally got it to close a little bit above the line. And then it rejected right back down. And then it ended up closing up again. I think closed one more time above the line. And then it dropped down. All this literally just happened. So that's why I'm able to recite it back. And then it was dropping down some more. So like GBP, JPY right now is kind of just like playing with my emotions, which, you know what I'm saying, we can't do nothing about. But let's just go back to real time. So right now, this is real time. This is where the price is at right now. It failed to go above this line again. It rejected this line. Hopefully we can get it to close above this line again, and then hopefully go up all the way up to our full take profit. But that's where we're at right now. If we go to my dashboard, you can actually see my account. If you look right here, the profit target is $10,000. Like, I'm up $1,100 as of right now. My daily loss is 0 because I haven't lost, because I made all the money back. Active trading days, this is my first day. Like I told you guys, I'm taking you guys through every single day. Yeah, so that's really it. I'm going to keep you guys updated on tomorrow if I take any trades tomorrow, because I'm not going to take any more trades today. Just because I'm already in profit right now, and I might as well just sit. I've taken 2 trades today already, so I don't need to take any more. And tomorrow we'll just try and hit it. And I'll obviously take you guys along the journey. But we're starting off pretty nicely. We're up 1,100. That's 1% on the account, even with taking a 1% loss. But tomorrow I'll try and get a bigger day for you guys, hopefully. Obviously, it's all up to the market. It's all up to how the market plays out. But that is the end of the video. Let me know, guys, what you guys think. Are you excited for this challenge? If you guys want me to do any other prop firms, let me know. If you don't think this prop firm is good, let me know. I could do a different prop firm as well after I finish this. And somebody suggested to me that I do like a flipping $100 account. Y'all think y'all want to watch me flip like $100 to $1,000? I think that would be pretty fun. I've done it before. I flipped like $20 to $1,000 one time, but then I lost it all because I was trying to. Don't ask me why I lost it all, but I did it. I can most likely do it again. So if y'all want me to do that kind of challenge too, I can do that. Just let me know in the comments down below. But make sure to subscribe with the post notifications on so you can be notified whenever I drop the next part to this. And if you want to learn any of my strategies, if you want to learn how to start trading, how to start reading charts, the psychology of trading, which is one of the biggest parts of trading, highly suggest you guys go tap into the CryptFi Academy. It's the first link inside the description. It's also inside the comments down below. Tap in. It's good vibes over there. I'm teaching people everything they need to know to be able to generate another source of income on top of their jobs, or even to completely, replace their jobs? Yeah, obviously it's not going to happen overnight, but I'm giving you guys all the necessary information that you guys do need. So if that sounds like something that's interesting to you, CryptFiAcademy.com, go on roll now. And that's really about it. Good looking on your trades. Good looking on your crypto. Good luck on your FTMO challenge. Good luck on your funded trader challenge. Good luck on your MFF challenge. Good luck on... I don't got nothing else. I'm sick and tired of trying to figure out something to give you good luck on. Just good luck overall, man. And I'm seeing you in the next video.